All right, so I inputted the Reddit user Lex Friedman. Yes, that podcaster on YouTube. And I got that his Myer Briggs type here is INFJ. So how do I build this? Let me brief you through my notebook here, which will be linked to in the video description. You need to set up both your Reddit API key and your Gemini API key in your Google Colab account here. And I have links to those tutorials in the links in the video description here. An important feature of Gemini here that I'm using is the structured output, as you can see here, that it outputted a JSON. You can also find Google's tutorial on this in the description as well, and OpenAI obviously also has a similar feature. Basically, you can ask the LLM to output a JSON with a set of keys and define what values each key can take. Like right here, this is useful because there are 16 different Myer Briggs types here, and I want the LLM to only output one of these 16 types. So I made an MBTI class just for that. And I've also created a confidence class to have it give low, medium, or high confidence to its result. And I'm also asking it to explain itself as well, because it's well documented in research, and you've probably seen it in practice when you ask an LLM like Gemini or ChatGPT to give an explanation along with the answer. And it's more likely to give you a correct answer when it provides an explanation along the way here. So here is a prompt I'm using. So basically, we start out saying, the following is a list of comments and posts by a particular Reddit user. Predict their MBTI Myer Briggs type to the best of your ability. When making the prediction, disregard any type the user claims to be and make the judgment yourself. Please also state your confidence in the prediction and give an explanation for the type you chose and your confidence in it. You may also discuss other potential types in the explanation. And I have a section down here for comments. And this is where the text will be posted with all the comments. And note that I have all the comments separated out with three new lines so that they don't get bunched together. And that's passed in as a single string once we run the Reddit API here and extract all the comments and posts by a particular user. So here, and here is what we got for Lex Friedman. Now let's run this for Bill Gates. So we put this is Bill Gates, and it'll take a few, probably less than a minute here, and you can just ignore the error message here from Crawl. So now it's here it's predicting Bill Gates to be an ISTJ. And here we can see like the previous model that I've deployed on the web actually gave Lex Friedman an INFJ rating with the highest probability. And let's see if we can get if it gives the same result for Bill Gates here. I don't think we got the same result, but we can put it in here. So this is Bill Gates. And let's see here. Yeah, let's see. This one says ISTJ, and here it actually gave him as an INTJ as the highest probability, and ISTJ is only at 2.6%. So I mean, this is probably more sophisticated here than the old bag of words model, which uses very low tech. So here, let's see, what does it say as its explanation? Bill Gates' posts and comments reveal a strong preference for thinking over feeling, judging over perceiving. Okay, that's consistent between those two. They're both TJ types. Yeah, it seems like they're pretty confident that he is a TJ, but at the same time, it says they've also Gemini seems to think he could be INTP or INTJ as well, and that there's some difficulty in determining his sensing versus intuition preference. So I guess ISTJ and INTJ both aren't really that far off base either. So anyways, if you love this video, please like and subscribe because you won't want to miss out on new ways to use LLMs and the Reddit API to analyze Reddit users in further ways. Peace.